advice, you're in luck today because personal injury attorney Willie Powells is here to answer your questions.
And he has a cheering section along with us. Yeah, you can give us a call right now at 713-778-8976 to ask Willie a question. And we'll get to those calls in just a minute. But first, let's talk about your background a little bit. Willie, tell us about yourself.
Well, I'm born right here in Houston and lived here my whole life. And from there, you know, got a scholarship to go to Drexel University. And from there, I did chemical engineering. And
you're like the most stylish attorney I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you.
So, and in addition to practicing law and helping people in the community, I understand you also like to help out in the community.
Oh, I love to help out in the community. I'm affiliated with Project Feeding Kids, Project Feeding Americas. We're trying to make sure that children don't go to bed hungry each night. Work with the Gentle organization at Booker T. Washington High School to help give back to the community that way as well. And so
let's jump right into some of these questions, because I think for a lot of us, you know, we may not have a lawyer on speed dial, but let's say you're involved in a car accident and you want to know what is the critical information you should be sure you gather before leaving the scene.
Certainly. If you've been involved in an accident, that can be a very scary moment, as we all know. If you're still conscious and you're, you know, able to do so, you definitely want to gather information. We've all heard that pictures are worth 1,000 words. Pictures can also be worth millions of dollars because that is what. And
I mean, you mean literally?
Literally, that's going to capture what actually best capture what happened there. If you're able to clip or take a picture.
Pictures of everything?
Pictures of everything. You want to get names. You want to try to, if you're able to, collect names of maybe eyewitnesses there. If the at-fault driver, if it's safe and it's not a problem, you know, if you're able to approach the at-fault driver, if you can get their insurance information, maybe a telephone number, an active email address, all of that is very helpful because ultimately we're going to need that information to best help you work on your case.
Okay, we have Pam on the line who has, I believe it's like labor issues.
Okay.
So let's see if we can hear her question. Pam, can you hear us?
Hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Okay. Go ahead with your question.
It's actually a neighbor issue, not labor.
Oh, neighbor.
Issue. Neighbor. I'd like to know you're not in labor.
I wondered. I was like, what?
Thank goodness. I've done that before. That's a lot. Yeah. Okay. So I have a neighbor. I've lived in my neighborhood over 10 years, and I have an HOA, so a homeowners association. My neighbors, I can't even tell you how many problems we've had with them, but like recently, what they do is they never mow their lawn, but then they mow the front and not the back. So it's really high, and you can't. And I keep telling the HOA, and they won't do anything about it. Well, recently we had a water moccasin in our backyard, and I have small dogs. So I had to pay $300 for a company to come to remove this poisonous snake. And again, the HOA will do, is there anything, the HOA will do nothing about it.
Okay, got you. Pam, thanks so much for your question. Let's toss it over to Willie.
You know, it's always interesting when you have dangerous things like water moccasins around and you have to deal with the HOA and all the other legal issues that surround it. You know, something like that, I would say, you know, you just kind of want to follow the protocol, right? And that would be you want to follow up with them, let them know that this inconvenience has taken place. And then, you know, if they're willing to work with you, there's always usually a contract that governs all of these various issues. If for whatever reason the HOA backs out or whatever the typical protocol is, then you can call a lawyer. We'll examine the contract. We'll go over the paperwork. If you need help, then you can let us know. I wouldn't want you to come and pay me for something like that initially because that could be quite expensive.
In the meantime, though, I mean, should the HOA be sending a letter asking for reimbursement? Is this all based on the CC&Rs, the covenants in the HOA?
Usually they'll send documentation, they'll make phone calls. It's usually based on all the existing paperwork is how it's typically governed. it's usually what happens is if somebody breaks away from whatever the protocol is when we get called, okay? So if it's something outside of the ordinary, that's when you call us.
So
you
Willie,
don't want to call us. I mean, and I say that initially because you'll pay a lot of money for us to come in and just kind of review something that's already in place.
Give me like the 15-second answer. When do you call a lawyer?
You call a lawyer when you really need help. And you know it's not something that you can handle yourself. It's beyond what you know what to do. And you need legal advice or legal assistance in order to get you through. So you want to call a lawyer. I say like this, it's kind of like a doctor. You call your doctor when you need them, right? You don't just call your doctor and say, hey, look, what did you do last night?
All right.
Usually when you're in pain, right? So when you have a legal issue, that's when you give us a call, and we'll be happy to jump in and help you out.
Willie, we've got to leave it there. If you guys would like to schedule a consultation with lawyer Willie Powells, you can call the phone number 713-778-8976, or they can visit your website, which is
correct.
Right there on your screen, williepowellslawfirm.com. Willie,
There's a 1-800 number too if you want to do that one. It is 1-800-240-8126.
That's right.
Willie, great to see you. Thanks for coming in.